Hey everyone, it is me, Fashion Coder, and I am your crypto bestie. I'm so excited for this video because I've actually had a large request for it, and it's how to sell your PulseChain. Now, that sounds controversial, and I'm not saying to sell your PulseChain at all, but I thought, you know what? My whole entire video selection is about how-tos, and there really are not any how-tos on how to sell your PulseChain. So, here we are. I'm going to give you a video on exactly that. And like I said, we are going to be going step by step of how to get through it. And so take notes, follow along, pause it where you need to. But before we get into that, don't forget to like and subscribe because I am your crypto bestie and here to give you all of the updated crypto information of what you need. And of course, with our bull market coming up, it's super exciting. One other thing is I just released a course that if you want to learn more about crypto yourself or someone else, I do have a crypto competent course on my website, which is cryptocompetent.com. And it's how to become crypto competent in 3 days, which I'm so excited about. So anyways, go check that out. And with no further ado, we'll jump right in. So one of the things that you are going to need is you are going to need the PulseChain bridge. So if you go to bridge.pulsechain.com, you can decide which way you want to run it. The first way, which is just online, is through this bridge, mypinata.cloud, or you can actually come in and run it from your desktop, whatever you want to do. There's options. So I am on the Pinata Cloud one right here. And then right in here, I have my Pulse, and I am going to come in and trade it for USDC. Now, I'm going to show you literally what I do because I like to double check literally everything before I do any type of transaction. And so I actually have a little notepad up right here, and I came in here, looked at in here what this address is right here because I came in and figured out what I wanted to bridge over, and I decided I'm going to do USDC from Ethereum. So I clicked on this, copied it, and that is what this address is right here, but I'm going to paste it so you can see. Okay, so it ends in that. So when I'm in PulseX right here, I am looking for this address. And so if we come in and look, we can copy this as well and put it in here. Now, I mean, you can also do this for MetaMask and add it to your MetaMask and figure it out that way. But I am one of those girlies that likes pen and paper. And so we're going to do it on a notepad because that's the equivalent, I guess. I don't know. All right. So I am going to come in here and I want to move some of my tokens over to USDC so then I can push it back out to Ethereum, and then I can put it into my Coinbase so then I can put it into my wallet. Now, while we're right here, let's chat about this. There is a whole thing about long-term holding, right? And if you've watched any of my videos, you know that I am a long-term holder. I'm not a day trader or anything like that because that is not what I personally want to do with my crypto. So I'm a long-term holder. But the thing is you do need to take gains as you make them. And that's why this video is helpful because I will be a long-term holder of all of these tokens that I have within the PulseChain network. But I also have learned throughout my experiences that it's really good to take profits. So that's why this is useful. And I highly recommend taking a moment to write out a plan, what you want to have as your exit plan on everything, because it's good to take a percentage of profit as it goes up. Not financial advice. None of this is financial advice or anything like that. Okay, so if we come in here, say I want to trade 600,000 of my Pulse to my USDC, we are going to see what will come up here. Awesome. All right, so we see all of this. We can come in and I want to swap it. So actually, I'm going to do 500,000. All right, and it'll do the whole thing. Fetching the best price. Sweet. All right. And then click swap, confirm swap, and it's going to go through MetaMask now to be able to go and do this. Don't we just love PulseChain's fees? They're so great. Bridging over from, to do this tutorial, I actually bridged over from Ethereum to here, and the fees over there were crazy. And I'm excited to see what the bridge fees are, because that's also going to be interesting. And that's okay. All right, looky here. We have 63 USDC. Now, you can decide what you want to trade. I just personally like USDC, and I feel comfortable trading it because I've been trading USDC for a couple of years now. All right, so we're going to come in here and we are going to type in how much we want to bridge. Now, this always ends up being a little tricky because you have to figure out with the percentage, just like gas fees and all that. So let's say just $63. I'm going to click send to begin transfer. And then this is where it comes up. Okay, awesome. So that's the thing. When you bridge in through Ethereum, and I thought this was going to happen, I've actually never done this before. And so that's why we're doing it here together. If you bridge in from Ethereum to PulseChain, you have to pay the gas fee from Ethereum. But if you're doing from PulseChain to Ethereum, then you just pay Pulse. So we're actually going to reject because I'm just going to do the max amount right here. Send. Because there's really no reason why I need USDC on the PulseChain network on my dummy wallet. All right. So we're going to come in here, click confirm. And then we wait. Look at that. All right. So it did its thing. When you are in PulseChain trying to bridge over to Ethereum, you do have to come in and claim, or you don't get your tokens. So we'll click on claim. And this is where we see the gas fee. All right, so I added enough ETH, hopefully, for the fees. So I click claim. Oh my goodness, it looks like it went up. I still don't have enough. That's okay. I'm like right on the edge. So I'm going to wait and then we will go through. And sometimes this happens. This really only happens to me when I'm making videos like this because I'm doing such a specific amount. Oh, perfect. All right. We're just going to confirm and see if it will go through. Sometimes that happens and sometimes it doesn't. Also, you may navigate off of this page and you can actually go into your transactions in the bridge and then claim from there too. So you don't have to stay on this page. I just ended up staying on it. I don't know why, but I ended up staying on it and now here we are. So if you end up navigating off, you can go into transactions. I don't know what this is going to pull up. I don't think I've done anything else with this wallet. No, it's just for today. Yep. So move this over, got the USDC back. All right. So if we come into our wallet, we can see our tokens. So look, our bridged in USDC. Okay. So I'm on MetaMask right now, but then I'm going to come in and send this to my Coinbase because say that I want to go about this whole process of actually selling and getting this into my wallet. That's what I'm going to show you. All right, so now I've gone to Coinbase.com and I am on the screen right here for USDC. So I want to receive it. So I'm here. I can see that my balance is 0. I am covering this up because this is actually my Coinbase account. So I could actually show you how to do this. I'm going to come in and click receive. There is a little copy button that you can copy your address. There's also a QR code. So just depending how you're doing it, you can do it any of those ways. All right, so now what we're going to do is we are going to send it. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the send button and then you are going to paste in your address that you just got from your Coinbase wallet. Now I know some people do this on their phones, so you can do the scan thing and all of that. Something that I was taught a couple years ago, which I think is one of like the smartest things and wisest things that anyone has ever told me, is why would you take your phone and walk around with your net worth on your phone? And I mean, you know, you have other worth in other places, sure. But if crypto is a big deal to you, which it should be, you shouldn't be walking around with your net worth on your phone. So having a computer specifically for crypto is super duper important. And what you're going to do, like I said, click the send, paste the address, and then you're going to click send. All right, and look, so it's in pending right now, and so it will go to actually received and like in my balance right here soon. But it says that it received the 63 USDC, and so it received that $63, which is awesome. So that is our round trip experience of going from bridging over, well, actually swapping Pulse to a stablecoin to then put through the PulseChain bridge, but to get into Ethereum, and then sending from Ethereum to our exchange. So our wallet to our exchange, and there it is. There we have it. So if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below. I do want to say one more time, I am not telling you to sell your Pulse, and this is not me fudding on it or anything like that. This is just me giving you the opportunity to have a video of how to do it so you can walk step by step and feel confident in the things that you are doing. Because I know that it's scary sometimes when you don't have a video of someone telling you how to do it and seeing how they did it. So you may not use MetaMask or Coinbase, but it is the same experience, I would like to say, as you walk through, because, you know, a lot of wallets and exchanges have very similar setups. So this is how you do it. Like I said, put any questions and comments in the comment section below. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.